Hey everyone, welcome back. So first of all, congratulations to all the second year students for finally you guys are coming to the campus. Okay. So in order to help you guys, I am making a hostel essentials video. In this video, I will cover all the stuffs that we will need in the hostel. Okay. So just be with me till the end and just have all the checklists that I am mentioning here. And besides this, you won't need anything else. Okay. So let's start. So first of all, like I will tell you like what are the things that you will be provided in the hostel by the institute. Like you will have a bed, you will have a table, you will have a chair, then you will have a cover attached within the walls most probably, and you will have a socket besides each bed. Okay, like in second year you will mostly share your room with four guys. Okay, so four sockets besides each bed. Okay, then what is the process of room allotment? So first of all you will reach your hostel. Okay, then you have to go to the warden room. There you will have to fill a form. For filling that form you will need documents like a passport size pic or your Aadhaar card xerox, like your payment print out. Okay, so you will make a payment to the hostel and all, so you have to take a print out of that. Then you have to need your vaccination certificate. Okay, that COVID certificate, the vaccination certificate, you will need that. Then you have to do your RT-PCR test. Before that you have to submit your report, basically RT-PCR certificate. Then you have to submit a consent form, and then you have to submit a hostel allotment form with attaching with all those things. Okay, like all these documents I have provided a link in the description where I have attached all the like sample for consent form, hostel allotment form and such things. So do visit that and thank me later. Okay, then what are the bed essentials? For bed essentials you have to carry your mattresses with yourself. The most common doubt was that do we have to carry our mattresses or gadda with ourselves or not? Yes, you have to carry that. The institute will not provide you the gadda or mattresses. Okay, so don't forget to carry it, or otherwise you can buy from the local market here in Sindri also. You can buy the mattresses here. If it's like difficult to carry it from the home or something, you can buy from the local market here. Then you have to carry your pillow and bed sheets. Okay, then coming to the formal sets, you must carry your formal dress because it's like you will need that in the college. Okay, so in formal dress you have to, like for boys it can be a white shirt and a black pant. For girls it can be like similarly only, like you can have something formal in white and black. Then you must carry your formal black shoes, like, and boys can even carry a black suit if possible. Like it's not mandatory, but if you should have it, then there is no harm in that. Okay, then moving toward hygiene essentials, you like things like bucket, mug, face wash, hand wash, shampoo, conditioner, all type of stuff like bathing socks, washing socks, and then laundry powder, washing powder, and all such things. Okay, then you will need an extension board because as I told, you will only have one socket beside each bed, so you will need an extension board. Then you will need a table fan because the summer here are very hot, so you will need a table fan. Then you will need a laundry bag to keep your dirty clothes in, like arranged in a proper manner, and like not throwing it everywhere in your room. Then you will need a kettle or induction. Like you can carry kettle or induction, like in your hostel form these things will be mentioned that you should not have this in your hostel, but you can carry all those things. Like there are no hard rules or something, you can use that in the hostel room, no worries. Okay, then you will need a bed study table. This is all you know why you need all these things. Then you have to carry 2 to 3 locks, like one lock for your cupboard, then one lock for your trolley or trunk what you will bring. Then you will have one common lock that you guys will share among yourself. Okay, for the like that common lock will be for the main gate of the room. Okay, then you must carry your documents like your 10-12 documents and all those things, because if there are some vacancy in like colleges, vacancy in like internships and all, so you will need those documents. Okay, so carry your documents. Then you can carry some basic utensils like thali, spoon and all, knife and all. You will need all those things, like basic utensils only. Then you should carry your medication. If you are having some particular medication, carry that, or just carry some medication for allergy, like for cough and cold and such things. Okay, some basic medication. Then you should carry your college bag. Then you should have a old newspaper so that you can put that in the base of your cupboard to protect your clothes and all. Okay, then you must carry your shoes and sandals because you won't be allowed to roam here and there in your slippers or flip-flop. So shoes and sandals you must carry, guys. Okay, then you should carry your hanger, ropes and posters, like ropes, like small plastic ropes as you can see in the pic, and hanger and posters. Okay, then some common stuffs like earphone, charger, spectacles, mirrors, combs. These are like necessary stuffs. Okay, and the first question is like how you will be allotted the room. So most probably you will have a lottery system where like you have to choose your room number randomly. and then you will allotted that room. Okay. And like how to reach your hostel, like you can like come to directly in front of your hostel by your personal vehicle, or you can book a auto where you can carry your luggage and directly come in front of your hostel gate. Then from hostel gate you have to carry your luggage to your room by yourself, or you can take help of your guardians and all, anything if they are coming with you. Okay. So this is like you have to do that things, and like you can get your room vehicle, personal vehicle or auto directly in front of your hostel, so you won't have like much trouble in shifting your luggage and all. So don't worry regarding that. And as I told you, you will have lottery system, and I have provided link in the description for the all the documents like that you will require while getting room allotment. Okay. And guys, just please do like this video, share, subscribe, and do comment your query. Okay. And I have a complete playlist on my channel covering all the aspects of BIT Sindri, so do visit that for better understanding. And welcome back to the campus.